Words are powerful. They can make someone feel happy, safe, and loved, or they can make someone feel small and hurt. Sometimes kind words come easily, but other times, when you're tired, angry, or frustrated, unkind words slip out before you even notice. If that has ever happened to you, you're not alone. Every kid is still learning how to use kind words, and that's okay. Using kind words doesn't mean you have to feel happy all the time. It means choosing words that don't hurt, even when your feelings are big. Kind words help keep friendships strong and help everyone feel respected, including you. When you feel strong emotions building inside your body, the first thing to do is pause your mouth. Close your lips for one moment and take a slow breath in through your nose, then breathe out gently. This small pause gives your brain time to catch up before words come out. Next, check your feelings. Ask yourself quietly, what am I feeling right now? You might feel angry, jealous, tired, or sad. Naming the feeling helps you choose better words. Feelings are okay. Hurtful words are not. Now think about how you want the other person to feel. Do you want them to feel safe, understood, or respected? Keeping this in mind helps guide your words. Before you speak, try asking yourself, would I want someone to say this to me? If you're upset, use feeling words instead of blaming words. Instead of saying, you're annoying, try saying, I feel upset right now. Instead of, that's stupid, try, I don't like this. These words tell the truth without causing harm. If you need something, ask clearly and kindly. You can say, can I have a turn, please? Or, can you stop? I don't like that. Speaking kindly doesn't mean being quiet or weak. It means being respectful and brave at the same time. If unkind words come out by mistake, you can fix them. Stop, take a breath, and say, I didn't mean to say that. Let me try again. Fixing your words shows responsibility and care. Everyone makes mistakes with words, and learning to repair them is part of growing up. You can also practice kind words when things are calm. Try saying thank you, please, and kind compliments. Saying things like, good job, I like playing with you, or thanks for helping me. Build strong connections. The more you practice kind words, the easier they become. Remember, kind words don't just help others, they help you too. When you speak kindly, your body feels calmer, your friendships feel safer, and your heart feels lighter. Learning to use kind words is a skill, and skills take practice. You won't get it perfect every time, and that's okay. What matters is that you keep trying. If this video helps you think about your words in a new way, tap the like button so I know to make more videos that support you. And tell me in the comments, what is one kind word or sentence you can use today? You are learning, you are growing, and I'm proud of you for trying.